Hello everyone, it's day 62. I didn't realize I can't really say that number. Anyway, I did 4 of the intermediate algorithm scripting problems on Free Code Camp. Today was kind of an off day. I wasn't like super pumped like I was yesterday when I did all those problems. I wouldn't say that the problems were like an extreme level of difficulty higher. It's just like, it was little stuff that like kind of made them annoying. Like, I'd get it right, except for I'd have one X because like this one particular string, the letter wasn't capitalized or was supposed to be capitalized or whatever. Like it was like little stuff like that. Like I'd get all but one or whatever. And I just didn't feel like thinking as hard as I was yesterday to really work it out or whatever. But nonetheless, I did 4. Then like I just wanted to change the pace. So I went back to my Udemy course on JavaScript. And I did I just did the code along with Share My Place app, which I didn't even finish it. I probably did like 70% of it. He started getting into like APIs and async await and all that, which I haven't covered yet. So I don't want to go watch something I hadn't covered yet or whatever. I mainly watched it just to see like how he structured his code using ES6 modules, because the next thing I'm gonna work on is the to-do list project for the Odin project. And like this whole section is about organizing your code and all that. So I just wanted to see like, I don't know, how somebody else organized their code using classes and modules and all that, like which did he decide to use or whatever. So, but yeah, so I pretty, got a better grasp on that or whatever. I also found Codesmith on YouTube. He has a object-oriented, programming tutorials, like an hour long. He has like a series called JavaScript: The Hard Parts, which I think this is like the collection of all the videos, I'm assuming. But anyway, the way he explains is kind of like down to earth or whatever. So it was kind of neat. Like going through the Free Code Camp exercises, like object-oriented programming is like the harder part. But I mean, it makes sense because it is the harder part of JavaScript. Aside from async await, I haven't promises and all that. I haven't gone through it, so I don't know how hard that is or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just like getting as much practice as I can with it or whatever. So, so I found that I probably watched like 15 minutes of it. I bookmarked it though to really watch it. I probably start from the beginning tomorrow, just because it's after midnight. And then I also found Bo Teaches Clean Code. He has a lot of like little series on the Free Code Camp's YouTube channel. The Odin project they have like a lesson before the project, and it was on solid principles, like how to organize your code, how to write better code or whatever. They gave you like 4 articles. They're all about the same topic, but like, to be honest, I didn't really care for how any of them were written. Like I read it, but like I really didn't get anything out of it, to be honest. So I noticed, like I looked through the YouTube playlist, he actually has a video on solid principles and like all the different, I think it's like 5 different types of principles, I think. Anyway, so yeah. But yeah, so tomorrow, I definitely need to watch the week 2 lecture for CS50. It's been a trend. I've been doing it on Wednesday, so I guess Wednesday is my day to watch the CS50 lecture. Probably won't do the homework tomorrow. I kind of like to split it up just because the lectures just take so long to go through with all the pausing or whatever. I'll probably just like work it out. So like for the rest of algorithm scripting, maybe do like 1 or 2 problems a day or something like that, and like kind of drag it out a little bit. Just so I'm not like spending a whole day on one thing. I'm trying to like break my day up so I can get a little bit of everything done or whatever. But yeah, also, I still have yet to start reading either one of those books. And now that I got the Think Like a Programmer book, I think just because I'm on the algorithm scripting, that would be more useful to read first than the Algorithms to Live By, because I feel like that's more overall sense or whatever. So, but yeah. So before I go to bed tonight, I'm going to start reading Think Like a Programmer. And yeah, that's it. Day 62, pretty good day.